Hello student, in the topic linear inequalities, this is the last part, that is the miscellaneous exercise of the chapter 6. In this exercise we have different types of important questions, and without wasting our time, let's start the topic. Now this is the last part of linear inequalities. This is miscellaneous exercise. Some different types of questions of inequalities. I'm taking the second question. Solve 6 less than equal to minus 3 into 2x minus 4 less than 12. The value of x in this type of inequality is between the range, that is the lower value and the upper value, that is the minimum value and the maximum value, and x lies between these two values, minimum and maximum. So how to solve this type of questions? Let's start. 6 is less than equal to minus 3 into 2x minus 4 less than 12. 6 less than equal to minus 6x plus 12 less than 12. To find the value of x, we will make the x between the sign of inequality, and the coefficient of x must be 1, that is plus 1, and there is no any constant value added or subtracted to the x. So first of all, eliminate plus 12, which is added to minus 6x. So subtract 12 from each term, like 6 minus 12 less than equal to minus 6x plus 12 minus 12 less than 12 minus 12. So minus 6 less than equal to minus 6x less than 0. Now divide each term by minus 6. But when we divide each term with minus 6, that is a negative number, the sign of the inequality will be reversed. So minus 6 dividing by minus 6. So the first term is minus 6 divided by minus 6 less than equal to minus 6x divided by minus 6 less than 0 divided by minus 6. So on dividing by minus 6, minus 6 divided by minus 6 greater than equal to, the sign will reverse, less than equal to becomes greater than equal to, minus 6x divided by minus 6, then less than becomes greater than 0 divided by minus 6. So 1 greater than equal to x greater than 0, or we can write 0 less than x less than equal to 1, that is x lies between 0 to 1, where 0 is excluding and 1 is including. 0 less than x, the value of x is greater than 0 but not 0, and less than equal to 1, that is 1 or less than 1. Now the same example, 7 less than equal to 3x plus 11 divided by 2 less than equal to 11. So the solution is, first of all, multiply by 2 to all terms. So it is 7 less than equal to 3x plus 11 upon 2 less than equal to 11 multiplying by 2 multiply by 2 in each term. 7 multiply by 2 less than equal to 2 multiply by 3x plus 11 over 2 less than equal to 11 multiply by 2. Here you can cancel the 2 in the middle term. So 7 2s are 14 less than equal to 3x plus 11 less than equal to 22. Now subtract 11. So subtracting 11 from each term. So 14 minus 11 less than equal to 3x plus 11 minus 11 less than equal to 22 minus 11. So 14 minus 11 is 3 less than equal to 3x less than equal to 11. Now the middle term is 3x and we need only x. So divide each term by 3. Dividing by 3, so the first term is 3 divided by 3 less than equal to 3x divided by 3 less than equal to 11 divided by 3. So 3 upon 3 is 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 11 over 3. So the x lies between 1 to 11 upon 3, where 1 and 11 upon 3 both are including values. Now question number 7 is solve the inequality and represent the solution on number line. There are two inequalities are given. We will solve both the inequalities separately and represent the solution on number line. Both the solution will represent on one number line. So the first inequality is 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24, 5x greater than minus 24 minus 1. The plus 1 when shifted to the right hand side becomes minus 1. So 5x greater than minus 25 and x greater than minus 25 over 5. So the value of x from the first inequality is x greater than minus 5. Similarly, the second inequality is 5x minus 1 less than 24. 5x is less than 24 plus 1. 5x less than 25, and so x less than 25 divided by 5 and x is less than 5. So there are two answers. The first inequality represent x greater than minus 5 and second inequality represent x less than 5. So on the number line we will mark both the points 5 and minus 5. We know for the less than or greater than, we make a hollow circle on the number line, and for less than equal to and greater than equal to, we make the dark circle on the number line. So this is a number line. This is the center 0. On the left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6. On 5 we will make a hollow circle. On the left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, this is minus 5 and then minus 6. The value of x is greater than minus 5, that is to the right hand side. Solution is to the right hand side. and x is also less than 5. So less than 5 is from the 5 to the left hand side. You can see in this number line there are a place where three lines are parallel. From -5 to +5, you can see the three lines are parallel. This is the solution on the number line. So from -5 to +5, you will draw the bold line on the number line. So this is the solution on the number line from -5 to +5, that is x lies between -5 to +5. Okay, now take the another question. Solve the inequality and represent the solution on number line. The first inequality is 5 of 2x minus 7 minus 3 into 2x plus 3 less than equal to 0, and second is 2x plus 19 less than equal to 6x plus 47. So we will solve both the inequalities separately and then we will mark the solution on the number line. First inequality is 5 into 2x minus 7 minus 3 into 2x plus 3 less than equal to 0. So 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 less than equal to 0. First of all, we open the brackets. Then 10x minus 6x is 4x minus 35 and minus 9 is minus 44 less than equal to 0. So 4x is less than equal to 44. Minus 44, when transferred to the right hand side it becomes plus 44, and then x is less than equal to 44 divided by 4. So x is less than equal to 11. This is the solution of the first inequality. Now the second inequality is 2x plus 19 less than equal to 6x plus 47. So 2x, bring 6x to the left hand side, minus 6x less than 47. 19 take to the right side, minus 19. So 2x minus 6x is minus 4x less than equal to 28. Now dividing by minus 4. Minus 4x divided by minus 4 greater than equal to 28 over minus 4. Why we change the sign of inequality? Because we are dividing with the negative number, so the sign of inequality reversed. Less than equal to becomes greater than equal to. So x is greater than equal to minus 7. 4 7s are 28. So our first solution is x less than equal to 11, and the second solution is x greater than equal to minus 7. Now for the number line, the number line must contain the numbers plus 11 and minus 7. Since the sign of inequality is less than equal to and greater than equal to, and we know for less than equal to and greater than equal to we mark the dark circle on the number line. So starting from the minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So mark the dark circle on at minus 7, say the dark circle, and dark circle at 11. Because less than equal to and greater than equal to represents the numbers which is including number, that is closed interval. So from minus 7 to plus 11, the value of x is less than equal to 11, but greater than equal to minus 7. So from minus 7 to plus 11, this is the solution set on number line. You will dark the number line, just put the scale and draw a dark line using the pencil. Okay, so x less than equal to 11 and x greater than equal to minus 7. In combined form, we can write minus 7 less than equal to x less than equal to 11, or x belongs to minus 7 to 11 in the closed interval.